Well, this evening we're delighted to honour and celebrate the achievement of Daphne Tilley on behalf of the Welsh lamb industry in recognition of her MBE on behalf of Services to Agriculture.
It's so wonderful having my friends here that I met through business. People say you should never make business customers out of your friends, but I've met so many chefs over the years and they've become my friends, and I feel a terrific empathy for what they're doing, what they're trying to do, because like farmers we're all very dedicated and we're quite passionate about our work, otherwise we wouldn't do it working the hours we do.
We're delighted to welcome restaurateurs and Michelin star chefs to this Welsh Lamb Club event tonight. It's been a marvellous coming together of people of like mind who value premium products, high quality Welsh lamb, and we hope that this relationship will develop in the future so that we can get more Welsh lamb on top menus in London for the future.
PGI Welsh lamb is delicious. It means that it actually is Welsh. It's born, reared, bred, looked after, and everything comes from Wales, so you get the flavour of the herbs and all the things that go into producing Welsh lamb.
One of the reasons why we tell people about Welsh lamb and the importance of Welsh lamb is because if you understand that an animal, when it lives in its own environment and in the environment that it eats and it feeds and it produces the perfect animal, Welsh lamb is that. It lives on the hills, it lives on a particular type of grass that feeds that animal, and it actually produces a perfect carcass at a particular time of year.
At All Blacks, it's very important that we give the client the best product possible, which we believe is Welsh lamb, and also to treat it with love and respect, to pass that on to the guests. I think that it's a product that people resonate with and are proud to eat and enjoy based on the fact that it is a local product and comes from Wales.
The classic that hasn't moved is a classic lamb rump, and that's served with spinach, creamed dauphinoise potatoes and rosemary jus.
We have our grilled lamb chops, which are marinated in a harissa rub, which comes from a local supplier as well, and many people will compliment us on the way, passing by the open kitchen, to say that it's the best lamb that they've ever had.
I think the best way for me to do it is just simply just grilled with a little bit of Welsh salt, and just simply with a nice mint hollandaise or mint sauce. It's just to die for, really.
When Welsh lambs come into season, most chefs basically look forward to that time of year when that product is available. And Welsh lamb is at the top of that list of products that we all look available to. Yeah, it's a premium product that we all look forward to using here in London. All of the restaurants are full of it at this time of year, and it's something that we look forward to for years to come.
Wel, mae'n bwysig iawn bod ni wedi cael cynifer o bobl yn troi allan fe heno i ddathlu llwyddiant cigoen o Gymru mewn bwytai ac ymysg cogyddion Llundain. Mae'r farchnad yn bwysig yma, mae'n tyfu, a mae rhaid i ni fod â siar gynyddol ar farchnad yna, fel bod ni'n gallu elwa'r gadwyn gyflenwi yng Nghymru a ffermwyr Cymru'n benodol.